Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke at Power Girl Fitness and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my roasted red pepper chicken rollatini. Now, we're also going to be serving this with a side salad. You can do whatever side salad you prefer, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make my avocado, tomato, and herb salad. So, let's get started. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. So over here, these are the ingredients for our side salad. We are going to be using this beautiful bowl of tomatoes. This is a summer melody mix of both cherry and grape tomatoes. Then we have 2 large avocados. We'll be using the juice of 1 lemon. We have some fresh basil, some grated ginger, salt and pepper here. I'm using a flaky Himalayan salt. Then we have some high quality extra virgin olive oil, as well as some Italian white wine vinegar and drizzling on some honey as well. For our chicken rolls here, we of course have 4 large chicken breasts, which we're going to be seasoning with Italian blend there, as well as some garlic powder. And then for the inside filling, we are going to be creating a puree with our roasted red bell peppers. We're going to be using 10 ounces of that, and then we'll be using 8 ounces of our sun-dried tomatoes, and then also incorporating a bit of bone broth into that for some additional nutrients. And then we'll also use 4 cloves of garlic and finishing off with some parsley. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Before we begin, just make sure that your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Laying down a bit of saran wrap, and we're just doing this because we are going to place our chicken on the inside between 2 layers, and we'll be using a mallet over here just to hammer that down a bit. I just have my toothpicks soaking in some warm water. This is just going to prevent them from burning when we cook our chicken. We're just gonna go ahead and hammer away. Will these chickens survive another beating? We'll see. Right, time to season. I'm just gonna start by doing a tiny drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of flaky salt, some garlic powder, Italian blend. Perfect. Oh, this smells absolutely divine. Now I'm just going to gently tap that in. Just flip over, and then I'm just going to season the other side. So I've just drained my sun-dried tomatoes and my roasted red peppers. So I'm just adding that to my blender there. 15 ounces of roasted red bell peppers. And 3 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to add in my cloves of garlic, so that's 4 cloves of garlic, and then a splash of bone broth. Blend. Just going to add some fresh parsley. That's our puree. We're going to go ahead and put that on top of our chicken. So we can take our toothpicks out of our water. They've soaked for long enough. Pierce that through and try to pierce that back down. All right, so we've lightly greased our oven tray and we're just going to be popping our chicken into the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then for the last 1 to 2 minutes, we're going to change our oven to broil just to allow us to get a bit of browning on our chicken. So go ahead and pop that in the oven. Once you've washed your vegetables, we're just going to cut our tomatoes in half. Let's add in our avocado. And I'm just gonna give that a quick mix. Now we're let's add the rest of our ingredients. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, a drizzle of honey, a tablespoon of grated ginger, our fresh basil leaves, squeezing on, we're going to do 1 full lemon. We've got some pepper and then flaky Himalayan salt. Just add on top. Perfect. Our side salad is done and ready to enjoy. Definitely keep this salad in mind. I like to add in some shrimp for some additional protein, and then you got a full meal here. Absolutely delicious. Tastes like a beautiful ceviche salad. So yeah, let's go check in on our chicken. We've just removed our chicken from the oven. It smells absolutely incredible. We're just gonna remove our toothpicks now. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoy. Make sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.